Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics. And today I'm going to go over my predicted picks for new comic book releases coming out on Wednesday, June 19th, 2019. Actually, to be honest with you, I already ordered them online. I'm not going to be able to make it to the LCS this week because I got stuff going on. But you know what? Yeah, so that means no new Comic Book Wednesday video tomorrow. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. So let's go ahead and scroll down, going down to Boom Studios. This is what I grabbed. I don't know if they're going to show that picture, but I grabbed Faithless #3, the cover B. This is the pre-order strips variant. Danny Strips? Pre-order strips variant? Like you had to pre-order it? But yeah, I got that one. Yeah, that's the one I got. So that's what the cover looks like for now. So yeah, let's go ahead and keep going. Boom Studios, looks like there's a Faithless or a Firefly coming out. And what is this? Saban's Go-Go Power Rangers Forever Rangers #1. $8. I didn't order that one. But let's go ahead and take a look at all four covers. You got cover A, the main, it's a Mora cover, Dan Mora. Oh, that's cool. That's a cool wraparound. Look at that classic Zord on there, and that Goldar, and that Rita, and all them Rangers, and even that Ranger Slayer. Because that's not the Pink Ranger. So let's go ahead and check out the Anka variant. And the 1 in 20. I think that one's it. Dang, internet. Okay, there's all four covers right there. And then the Piccolo variant. Okay. Dog, quit. Stop breathing. Let's go ahead and keep going. Dark Horse Comics. We got Last Stop on the Red Line #2. That first issue was kind of weird. I liked it, but not enough to pull it. But because it's only 4 issues, I'm just going to grab all of them. And then if I really don't like them, I'll sell them later. Alright, so DC Comics. We got Batman #73. Oh yeah, that's the cover I got. I think this is... Well, that's cover A. Well, no, that's cover B. That's cover B. What? Okay, so that's cover A. This is the cover I got. I thought this was cover B, but I grabbed that. And then there's the Oliver variant, which also looks cool, but I really like this one. The Janin, cover A. Justice League #26, so you got cover A by Francis Manapul and cover B by Emanuela Lapuccino. Man, sorry about that. I didn't know that the internet was going to be super slow today. Alright, so there's cover A. Dig it. And cover B. I actually like cover A better. Superman Year One. I didn't grab this one. I'm gonna hope that it's still there when I get to go to the LCS next week. But you got cover A by John Romita Jr. and Danny Mickey, and cover B by Frank Miller. I'm hoping to grab the cover B. There's cover B. That's it for DC for me. IDW, got some Ninja Turtles, And Stan Sakai has a Usagi Yojimbo #1. Image Comics. And when is Dai gonna come out? Boo. Alright, here's Middle West #8. Scotty Young. And Gideon Falls #14. I grabbed the cover B. Maybe that's what I got confused with the Batman cover. But yeah, here's the cover B. Grab that. I love how it says the number 14 instead of the number 14. Like it says 14. That's cool. Neon Future #4. I think I grabbed it. Not quite sure. I'm gonna have to look at my invoice. If not, then guess I'll have to grab it on eBay. That cover A is so cool. And cover B. I love those reflection covers. Kevin Eastman Studios, Drawing Blood Spilled Ink #2. Hoping for cover B. Let me close these out. So here's cover A. And cover B. And this is a huge week for comics. It's not good. Honor and Curse #5 comes out from Mad Cave. Marvel Comics. Captain Marvel #7. I don't remember if I got cover A. Or B. There's cover A. I switched powers. And cover B. I think I went with cover A. Daredevil #7. Here's cover A. And the U Marvel's 25th Tribute cover B. I went with cover A. Deadpool #14. I don't think that's the cover for 14. Thought it was different. And then here's cover B. Cover B looks pretty sweet. And it's done by Mark Brooks. Guardians of the Galaxy #6. I think I wanted to get the Perel variant because of Silver Surfer, but I just went with cover A, which looks badass, don't get me wrong. Yeah, this is sweet. How cool would it be for Silver Surfer to just fly through the city? Yeah. Howard the Duck #1 facsimile. Immortal 17, second print. Marvel's Annotated #4. So cover A and C were both done by Alex Ross, and C is badass, but I went ahead and got the Stephanie Hans variant. I don't even have Marvel's Annotated #1, 2, or 3. I gotta go back and grab those. I know I don't have to, but it's Stephanie Hans, first of all, and I thought this one looked pretty cool. Marvel's Spider-Man City at War #4. Clayton Crane, cover A. Had to get it. I need to catch up on that. I haven't even read #3. Savage Sword of Conan #6. Oh, I didn't know David Finch did cover B also. Let's take a look at both of them. So here's cover A. And no picture for cover B. Shuri number 9. Oh yes, I grabbed this one for sure. Silver Surfer Black number 2, second printing. Oh man. And it was a spoiler anyway, so I don't want to spoil it for you. But this is not the second printing cover. I thought Spider-Man Life Story number 4 came out. I don't think this list is right. Yeah. Oh no, that was last week. Yeah, number 4 was last week. Okay. Tony Stark, Iron Man number 13. I grabbed the Clayton Crane cover B. Because, wow. I can't wait to get this one signed one day. I don't think I've ever seen Crane here on the West Coast. Uncanny X-Men number 20. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull these up because my internet's a little slow today. I don't know why. So, Uncanny X-Men number 20. This one's coming to end soon because of Hickman's Powers of 10 and House of X. War of Realms Journey of Mystery number 5. This is the conclusion for that 5-part miniseries, which has been stellar. Here is cover A and cover B. It's a 1 in 25. I went with cover A. Spider-Man and League of Realms number 3, cover A. And cover B is not here, but it's a D'Alfonso variant. The War of the Realms, War Scrolls number 3. Look at that Daredevil. And, so Infinity Watch number 5 comes out. So does X-Men Grand Design Extinction number 2 by Ed Piskor. And yeah, Scout Comics has a new number 1. If I see it, I'll grab it. Nothing from Valiant. Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm grabbing this week. It's a lot, trust me. I was back and forth of should I get this later, should I get it now, but I didn't want to miss out. So I ordered a lot from various websites. So yeah, here's Crucified number 1. Ooh, blasphemy. Like a modern day Jesus? Yikes. Yeah, a man some believe to be the modern Jesus Christ. If I see it, I'll probably grab it, but I'm not going to get it unless I make a purchase, which I need to on scout.com, so maybe I will grab it. But yeah, that's all I got. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think I shouldn't get for my pull list? I'm gonna grab it anyway probably, but why? What are you grabbing? What are you looking most forward to reading or picking up? And yeah, that's all I got. This is Errol from High Road Comics, and I'll see you at the next stop.